The realm of romantic pursuit often demands a nuanced understanding of human psychology, particularly when it comes to captivating the mind of a man. In this pursuit, reverse psychology emerges as a powerful tool, offering a subtle yet impactful approach to influencing his thoughts and emotions. By strategically employing reverse psychology techniques, one can create a lasting impression that keeps him pondering incessantly. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore various strategies and tactics to harness the power of reverse psychology, ultimately making him think about you non-stop. Understanding reverse psychology. At its core, reverse psychology operates on the principle of suggesting the opposite of what is desired, thereby triggering a subconscious desire to defy expectations. This technique capitalizes on the innate human tendency to resist direct influence, making indirect persuasion more effective. In the context of romantic attraction, reverse psychology can be utilized to create intrigue, evoke curiosity, and stimulate emotional investment. Strategies to employ reverse psychology. 1. Cultivate mystery. The allure of mystery is undeniable when it comes to capturing someone's attention. By maintaining an air of mystery around yourself, you can pique his curiosity and keep him guessing. Limit the information you divulge about yourself, leaving gaps for him to fill with his imagination. This creates a sense of intrigue that compels him to think about you as he seeks to unravel the mystery. 2. Foster independence. Contrary to conventional wisdom, expressing independence and autonomy can be a potent form of reverse psychology. Instead of constantly seeking his attention or approval, focus on pursuing your own passions and interests. Demonstrating self-sufficiency not only conveys confidence but also instills a sense of admiration and respect, making him more inclined to think about you as an intriguing and multifaceted individual. 3. Utilize the power of scarcity. Scarcity breeds desire, and leveraging this principle can significantly enhance your allure. Rather than always being readily available, strategically create scarcity by occasionally limiting your availability and attention. This creates a psychological tension that fuels his desire to pursue you, as he becomes increasingly captivated by the prospect of winning your attention and affection. 4. Employ strategic vulnerability. While vulnerability may seem counterintuitive, it can be a powerful tool when used strategically. By selectively revealing vulnerabilities or insecurities, you create a sense of intimacy and emotional connection. This vulnerability fosters empathy and a desire to protect, leading him to think about you in a deeper and more meaningful way. 5. Indirect compliments and challenges. Traditional compliments can sometimes come across as predictable or insincere. Instead, employ reverse psychology by offering indirect compliments or playful challenges. This sparks his interest and creates a dynamic interaction where he feels compelled to prove himself worthy of your admiration, thereby keeping you at the forefront of his thoughts. 6. Establish boundaries. Setting boundaries is essential in any relationship, but it also serves as a powerful tool in reverse psychology. Clearly communicate your boundaries and expectations, demonstrating self-respect and assertiveness. This signals to him that you have high standards and value yourself, compelling him to work harder to earn your respect and attention. 7. Create positive associations. Associate yourself with positive experiences and emotions to imprint yourself in his mind. Engage in activities together that evoke joy, laughter, and excitement. By linking your presence to these positive experiences, you become associated with feelings of happiness and fulfillment, ensuring that he thinks about you in a positive light. 8. Practice strategic withdrawal. In moments of uncertainty or hesitation, strategically withdraw your attention or affection. This creates a psychological vacuum that he instinctively seeks to fill, prompting him to think about you more intensely as he grapples with the perceived loss of connection. Conclusion. Mastering the art of reverse psychology is a subtle yet potent skill that can significantly impact your ability to occupy a man's thoughts. By employing strategic tactics such as cultivating mystery, fostering independence, utilizing scarcity, and practicing strategic vulnerability, you can create a captivating allure that keeps him thinking about you non-stop. Remember, the key lies in subtlety and finesse, allowing the psychological principles of reverse psychology to work their magic in the realm of romantic attraction.